Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. The Bethune has just launched their latest edition of watches, which is the DB29. Here is a short introduction of it. The Bethune presents a watch endowed with two faces, two dials with two identities. The DB29 is a watch that exudes luxury and versatility. Not only is it a practical design watch, it is also a fun watch to wear. On the front of the watch, it displays a dial featuring a sleek, contemporary design with central hours and minute hands as well as a tourbillon at the 6 o'clock. It also comes with a 30 seconds indicator. According to the statements made by the Bethune, extensive work has been done on the integrating polished, curved shapes, matte or glossy components, different thickness and levels, thereby creating a sensation of ample space and optimal volume given the minimum height available for a tourbillon watch. A new type of deltoid-shaped breech is positioned in the center like an isosceles triangle that contributes to the overall sense of harmony. When you turn the watch around, it features a dial that is based on a more traditional aesthetic inspiration. On this face, you see the hour, minutes, and seconds hand that are perfectly positioned in the center of this watch. If you haven't noticed, the earlier dial has a tourbillon and a 30 seconds indicator at the 6 o'clock. On this face here, you have the seconds hand at the center of the watch. This represents an extreme subtle technical challenge which the Bethune was able to resolve it with elegance. Of course, when you think about the Bethune, you think about floating lugs. Again, according to the statements made by the Bethune, the lugs are redesigned for this occasion. These elements have been equipped on each side with an ingenious little rotating mechanism made up of 28 components. For reliability purpose, they are manufactured in stainless materials such as surgical steel or titanium, thus enabling them to withstand the external aggression of water, humidity, temperature variations, and continuous contact with the skin. Thanks to a cam, a small notch allows the watch case to be instinctively and perfectly positioned in line with the floating lugs. The round case rotates on its central axis and can be positioned front or back in a delightfully easy, smooth, and entirely natural way. With this watch, you can really have the best of both worlds. On one side, you have a futuristic watch, and the other, a traditional piece. So what do you think of the Bethune's latest creation? Let us know at the comments below. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button to support me, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.